We finally got the box, bro. Got the box. Frescas? So I've never heard of that. We got pop kicks, cocoa coated cake with chocolate sauce. Don't know what that is. This is a candy bar. Boo Boo Lubu. Marshmallow and strawberry. Gummy with chocolate flavored coating. Chippewas. Salted lemon. Oh, no way. This is called Filled Roller. Tutti Frutti. It's like a fruit roll-up, but it has a creamy center inside of it. What is this? Mayasai. Roasted peanuts. Chili flavored. Alright, so it says where all this stuff is from. Is this the stuff that we got in our box? Oh yeah, Frescas. Frescas are from Mexico. Chippewas are from Mexico. Boo Boo Lubu is from Mexico. Those cookies are from Korea. The Tutti Frutti roll is from Spain. The pop cake is from Turkey. Spicy peanuts is from Indonesia. There's no drink in this box, unfortunately. I've seen sometimes they put drinks in their boxes and standard boxes, but it's pretty cool for the price that I had to pay. So this is from Turkey. Let's see what this is all about. Ooh. These are really good. It's a light, fluffy sponge cake with a chocolate top and center. These are from Turkey. These are really good. Save the rest of that. These are from Mexico. Fruit flavored toffee sponge balls covered in milk chocolate. I have no idea what this says. Not bad. They're not bad, but they're not something I would really eat. Roasted peanuts from Indonesia. Spicy flavored crunchy peanuts. Let's see what we got. They look like little, I don't know. It's covered in some type of like rice or something. And there's little peanuts inside. They're not really spicy. They're pretty good. Chip Boys from Mexico. Crispy rolled, lightly salted tortilla chips. Salted lime. They look like Takis. They're kind of just like regular tortillas. Can't really taste the lime. They're just like salted tortilla chips. But they look like Takis.
Still Snoop Dogg and D.R.
The Fenny filled roller, Tutti Frutti. Looks like a fruit roll up. Strawberry or Tutti Frutti flavored fruit roll up. From Spain. Rip it. It's like one of those rainbow belt things. But it's got cream stuff on the inside. Put that over here with the good ones. This is... kind of wish I got those Cheetos from China. Those look pretty good. The wafer sticks from Italy. I've had those before and they're really good. The biscuit sticks and pizza flavor from Japan. Those look really good. Ramoons. Ramoons based on from Japan, but they're chewy candies. And they taste like Japanese soda. I wish I got those. These are all really good. I'm gonna save these for later, I think. But this is the Lubu marshmallow and strawberry. Thanks for tuning in today's video. Please subscribe, like, all that type of stuff. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next new video. Peace.